Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to share a very unique and different recipe which you have never seen before. This is a healthy Ayurvedic cake which you can give to your kids to boost their immune system. If you find my recipe useful, do share with others so that they can also get benefited. The herbs which I have used here have antibiotic and anti-inflammatory properties, and also they serve as good immunity boosters. I've included all the herbs which we generally use for making kada or immunity drink, and these are mainly cinnamon, ashwagandha, cloves, cardamom, ginger or dry ginger powder, turmeric or turmeric powder, black pepper, and tulsi, or you can also use dry tulsi powder. And also I used a handful of pumpkin seeds and sunflower seeds, badam, and also cashew nuts. As the schools are going to start, you can give this healthy snack to your kids on a regular basis to boost up their immune system. To bake this healthy cake, you have to prepare kada or immunity drink first by adding all the Ayurvedic herbs. Take 1 cup of water in a saucepan, add 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder and a little more than 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder and 1/4 teaspoon of powdered cloves. Add a little more than 1/4 teaspoon ashwagandha powder, or you can also take giloy, which is a very strong immunity booster. I'm adding more than 1/4 teaspoon of powdered ginger or grated ginger. Don't worry about the taste of the cake as we're adding too many ingredients. This will come out with a good taste and kids will definitely enjoy. Here I added 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Ensure that you always take pepper powder along with turmeric powder. Here I added a little less than 1/4 teaspoon of pepper powder. Now boil all these ingredients until they get reduced to half a cup. Also add powdered tulsi or dry tulsi leaves to the decoction. After a quick boil for 5 minutes, now the decoction is ready. Now you need to filter to remove all the solid particles from the decoction. Now this is called as kada or immunity drink, which most of us have been consuming in these pandemic days. Let this cool down for few minutes. Now let's start the cake batter preparation. Add half cup of kada, half cup of curd and 1/4 cup of butter at room temperature. Mix well all the ingredients. Ensure that the kada or immunity drink is at lukewarm condition so that the butter gets melted easily. Add half cup of powdered brown sugar. Mix properly so that the sugar dissolves in the liquid ingredients. Now here I am preparing this in a kadai. You can also prepare it in OTG. In order to preheat the kadai, you have to put a stand and preheat it for 10 minutes at low temperature or at low flame. And in order to bake it in OTG, preheat for 10 minutes at 160 degrees temperature. Here I'm using a bread mold to bake my cake. You can use any baking tray. You can use a butter paper to line your baking tray, or you can also grease it with oil and dust with some flour. Mix well all the liquid ingredients before you add the powdered ingredients. To the liquid ingredients, add 1 cup of wheat flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder and half a teaspoon of baking soda. You can add 2 teaspoons of milk powder and this is optional. Sieve the dry ingredients into wet ingredients, and this process is to incorporate air into your batter. To this add 1/8 teaspoon of salt. Mix all your ingredients to form a smooth batter without lumps. Add 1/4 cup of milk to form a smooth batter. Always add milk in small quantities and check the consistency of the batter. If you get a perfect consistency, then stop adding milk anymore. And here to this batter, I've added almost 1/4 cup of milk. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence to this batter and mix well. Take all the dry fruits which are shown in the beginning of the video and add a teaspoon of wheat flour to it and mix well. Now add these dry fruits to your batter. Now give a good mix to this batter and transfer this to your cake mold. Decorate the cake top with some nuts to give it a good look. And no doubt kids will definitely enjoy the taste as well as the looks. Now that we had preheated the kadai for 10 minutes, drop the cake tin into the kadai. Don't forget to cover it with a plate or a lid. Bake it for 1 hour. If you use a normal cake tin, you can bake it for 40 minutes. And after 1 hour, my cake is perfectly ready. You can check it with a toothpick or you can insert a knife. And if you're going to bake it in an OTG, bake it for 160 degrees for 50 minutes. And do check it before 10 minutes. After completely cooling your cake, unmold it. You can loosen the sides with a knife and unmold it. I'm very excited to see this. The cake is perfectly baked and with a very good texture. By the texture of the slice, you can make out how good the cake came out. So if you like my recipe, do share it with others so that others can also get benefited with this healthy Ayurvedic cake. If you like my idea of making this Ayurvedic cake, don't forget to hit the like button and drop a comment. Thanks for watching.